Hello, Mr. and Mrs. America and all the ships at sea. Flash, this is One Man, One Camera. Today is Friday, March 1st, about 1 p.m. Temperature 89 degrees, wind blowing in northern direction, probably about 15 miles per hour. Let's take a look at Resorts World Las Vegas and see what's going on. All right, right now I am standing on Fashion Show Drive. Let me just show you that real quick. Okay, see, there's the wind, right? And then there is the Palazzo, okay? And then there is that hamburger place, whatever it's called, I forgot, on the corner of the fashion show. And then so here is, I guess it's Forever 21 and so on and so on, okay? All right. Now the Flix bus, F-L-I-X bus, I think it stops here. I've seen them in different times, just parking and people hopping in and hopping off. All right. So, sorry for swinging around so much. Resorts World Las Vegas. Let's see what's going on. It's hard to focus this thing through the fence, so let's do it manually. Ah, there we go. All right. So, okay, got 2 towers, right? $4.3 billion project. Okay, nice. 3,500 rooms. Sounds good. Now this portion right here, this little bit right here, if I can zoom in a little bit, let me just, this portion right here, I zoomed in. I see, look at that trash bag floating in the air. What's that symbolic for anything? All right, on this portion right here, those columns will hold the elevators. This will be part of some shopping of the complex. Some more shopping will be facing the Strip, Las Vegas Boulevard. Okay, let's see what's going on. I don't see anyone working right now. I don't hear any construction going on, but it could be because the wind is masking the sounds of the construction. Okay, now if we go all the way to now this front area of the Resorts World, that would be a big giant pool area containing 220,000 square feet. Okay, unless we forget, this left tower right here will have this massive video screen. I think it's like 3 times the size of an American football field, and that's pretty big. And then on the right side, that red up and down right there will have a video screen also, a very tall one. Okay, let's go back to pan to the left. Let's just pan to the left. Now that area right there, that building right there, I believe that will be some sort of a meeting convention hall type place. And we'll keep on going, and there's everyone's favorite, some parking. And I wonder if it'll be free for locals. All right, so that's pretty much it from this side of the, this southern portion of Resorts World. Let's move over to the Las Vegas Strip side and see what's going on over there. All right. Oh, I forgot to mention the top part. Let's see if I can do this. That's all sealed off. Okay, I moved to the Strip of Las Vegas Boulevard, and we are at the corner of Cathedral Way, which, in case you guys did not know, there is actually a church over there. So, hey, all right. Now, back to this building right here. This structure right here, I believe will be a retail outlet, as I looked at the renderings for Resorts World Las Vegas, or RWLV, I guess. Okay, so they have elevators in there and so on and so on. And then in front, or facing Las Vegas Boulevard, that, I believe that whole string of shops will be retail. Okay, and once again, there'll be a video screen going up this tall red trim. Okay, all right. Now, I still don't hear any noise from over there, you guys. It's after 1 o'clock, you know, so maybe they're on lunch break. Yeah. All right, we spotted the elusive construction worker outside of the shady portion of the work area. All right, so they're working inside of this structure right here. Cool. And this is the outer wall of Resorts World. Not very interesting, I know, but these butterflies right there, the design, that reminds me, I went to Malaysia a while ago, and in, I think it was Penang? I think Penang. There was a butterfly park. It was a lot of fun, you know, it was really nice. And I learned there that butterflies actually drink their own urine. Okay, I'm in front of Tacos El Gordo, the legendary shop which people seem to love so much. And temporarily closed, cerrado temporalmente. All right, let's go back and look at the Resorts World. Now here, I can hear some activity going on. This was the wind that was camouflaging it. And like I said earlier, this front area right here will end up being retail outlets, high-end retail outlets. You know, you won't see a Burger King or a McD's on the front end of this place. The food court, different story, but the front end, no way. It'll be your, you know, your top tier places. Okay, all right. Now let's look at this. There we go. Looking good and smooth. Now opening day. Now opening day was supposed to be mid 2021, talking about July. But with things going on these days, you know, who really knows what the future holds, right? Like Yoda said, always in motion is the future. Always in motion. All right, let's move down some more. Okay, what's going on now in Vegas, they are repairing parts of the Las Vegas Strip, as you can see. I think it's for probably lighting and probably old pipes, that sort of thing. So they are trying to get things up to snuff for whenever the place gets back on its feet and stands tall. Okay? There's a lot there going on, a whole lot. Now we're right in front of Walgreens and Convention Center Drive. Just wanted to get a straight shot of the area which will hold the retail outlets. All right, hey, looking good. Got a small little crane right here just hanging out. All right. I'm gonna move down into the, more bicyclists now. And like I think I mentioned earlier, now because of the, things are not as they used to be, I see a lot more people on cycles. Now those cycles are the ones you can rent. I believe they go for either $8 per 24 hours or $5 per 24 hours for the standard bikes, not the ones which are electric. Okay, but the kicker is you can only ride for half an hour at a time before you must dock it again. If you go over the half an hour, then there's a small fee attached per 30 minutes. But I don't recall the exact details. But it's a good service, you know, and I do enjoy it. I use it once or twice. You know? Hey guys, back now. We're inside of the Peppermill parking lot to get a good angle of this Resorts World Las Vegas. So there we are. Sun's shining, birds are singing behind me. People working hard. Some people are. Other of us are on furlough, so to speak. All right, let's hang on a second. Action shot. And of course, Resorts World is near everyone's favorite, Circus. All right. And when I was a kid, we would go to Circus in Reno. And my mom, she would give us some money and say, okay, all right, you little hoodlums, go play. And I'll see you later. And I was walking around outside, and this guy goes, hey, kid, give me a dime. I rolled over and gave him a dime. Oh, well. I was probably maybe 8 or 9 years old, so hey, during the days of free-range kids, you know? All right. So, you know, guys, guys and dolls, we may be just about finished for today with Resorts World. Oh, hang on, is that elevator moving? Hey, we got action. Action. We got action. Higher and higher, baby. It's a miracle. All right, you guys. That'll just about do it for us today. I want to thank you all for joining me on this hot, hot day during all of our time when we should be, being calm, cool, and collective. Or calm, cool, and collected, right? Collected, not collective, collected. And taking care of all of your friends and family, or at least your family first. All right, like I always say, it's OneManOneCamera. See me outside, say hello, and I will always say hello back. Take care wherever you are, and have a great day. All right, we are out of here.